Hello students, your instructor here, John Medula with another screencast. This one picking up where we left off, and I have this, I look at my design view, see I have this blue body, a white wrapper, and then this kind of blue textured banner image area, header image area, and then a logo inside there. And how that's constructed with the code, you can see that I have, there's my body, there's my wrapper, which is white, here's my banner, which is this blue textured background area, and then I've also inserted an image inside the banner. Okay, the image is the logo. Now, if I look again, you can see the logo is stuck to the top and to the left, because that's how the web works. Things are top and left, unless you tell it otherwise. So what I want to do is go to my CSS and define how images should be when they're in my banner div. So I'm going to go to my CSS here, which is linked, and I've already got the banner defined there. So I'm going to go create a compound selector. In this case, it's banner space UL, and you can either type it in like I am, or you can create a new CSS thing from the CSS panels. So brace, I'm going to go to margin left of 20 pixels and a margin top of 20 pixels. Again, you'll play around with and know how many pixels you need it to move. I usually try to do it in increments of 10, and if that's not fine enough, then increments of 5. Just something that's easy for you to remember and work with. So I'm going to refresh this. You can see that the image then should be popped. If I save this, the image should be popped. Oops, I'm sorry, I did banner UL. That's supposed to be banner image. There we go, image, because this is an image. My mistake, so let's save that. There we go, now we can see that the logo has been pushed down from the bottom and down from the top. So, even though it's inside this div, it's the margin of this. So it's like I'm getting 20 pixels of siding on the top and the left of this logo. Okay, now what I want to do is put this navigation, which is page 1, page 2, page 3, I want to put that inside this as well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go back to my source code here. You can see I have it right now, it's just in 3 different paragraph tags. That's not what I want. What I'm going to do is just change this to be a line item. Okay, and this is going to be a line item right there. So change all these to line items. Just like this. Now obviously what I'm going to need to do as well is I'm going to put these in an unordered list. So let's go before the first one here. And I'll begin the unordered list. And I might even want to say, you know, with a comment, this is navigation. That's what I'm going to use it for. And then right here is going to be the end of the unordered list, and I might say something like end of navigation. Oops. Just like this. Refresh that. You see it's going to look a little bit different. So then what I'm going to do is take all of this code right here, so this unordered list, I'm going to cut it out. Then after the image, but before the end of the div, what I'm going to do is right here, right there, edit, and paste that in. So now I have an unordered list inside. So if I refresh this, you can see I have an unordered list, and it's hard to see right now, it's blue against all this other blue, but the reason why it's like this is because it's under this image, and we need to make sure that's going to go to the right of the image and stay in that area. So we're going to need to set up some floats, both for the unordered list and also for the line items themselves, so that they go horizontally across. So stay tuned for the next video where we can figure that out.